Welcome back, guys. Today we're switching it up and I'm going to be showing you how to make an affordable plant-based meal. So today we're going to be making tacos. I have veggie crumbles here using the Morningstar brand. This comes pre-seasoned. Out of all the ones that I've tried, this one's going to be the best one. Next we have white corn tortilla, and then we have avocados, onions, tomatoes, lemon, and then cilantro and salt and pepper for the seasoning. So first thing we're gonna do is chop up the veggies. Okay, so we're gonna wanna dice the onions so that they're really small. We're gonna put half into the guac and then half into the veggie crumbles. The onions got me crying, guys. So the next thing we're gonna do is dice up the tomato. So just cut it in half and then dice it up the same way. Alright guys, so after the tomatoes, we're gonna cut up the cilantro. So just grab your cilantro, fold it in half, and then cut them. So we just finished with the cilantro. Now we're gonna prepare the guac. So just grab your avocado and then add it into the bowl. And then after that, you wanna season it with the salt and the lime, and then add in your tomatoes and onions and mix everything up. Alright guys, so now that the guac's done, we're gonna set this aside and then we're gonna cook the veggie crumbles. Alright guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is cook the veggie crumblers. But first, we're gonna caramelize the onions and then add in the veggie crumblers last, because it only takes about 4 minutes to cook. So you're just basically reheating the veggie meat. It's not going to change much in color, just cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. heat up the tortilla, and then assemble the tacos. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make the tacos. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is smash that like button, and then we're gonna add the veggie crumbles. And then we're gonna add the guac. So we're gonna use the leftover tomatoes and onions to top off our tacos. And then we're gonna squeeze in some lime. And that is gonna be how we make plant-based tacos. Let me know if you wanna see more videos like this in the comment section down below, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.